it's Lindsay Ann. Today we're doing a super fun twist on a classic treat with my Rice Krispies Treat donuts. So these are super easy but a really fun dessert that combines everyone's faves into this adorable little fun treat idea. I mean, you guys, seriously, who is not going to obsess over these chocolatey, marshmallowy Rice Krispie Treats disguised as these cute little donuts with that French vanilla candy glaze and sprinkles on top? I just can't believe I didn't think of doing this sooner. These are just like so much fun. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button to be the first to see my all new videos. Okay, so we start with the Rice Krispie Treat donuts, and as always, I'll leave the full written recipe for you guys down below, or you can get it on my website at lindsayandbakes.com. So first, just melt your butter in a large saucepan. Then we're gonna stir in our marshmallows over low heat until they're fully melted. And you can definitely also do this in a microwave for an easy alternative. Then just pour your cereal in a large bowl and pour your marshmallowy goodness right on top and just mix that all together until all the cereal is well coated. Then we're just gonna let this cool slightly until it's no longer hot to the touch, and we can then mold them into our little donuts. So a little trick I do is just grease my hands with a little non-stick spray. This way the marshmallow cereal treats don't stick to your fingers. And just grab a handful of the Rice Krispies Treats and press it right into a 3-inch circle cookie cutter. And just pack that down in there and then pull off the cookie cutter. And just use your hands to mold it into a donut shape, and you can just poke your finger through the middle to make a little donut hole right in the center. Then just go ahead and place this on a wax paper lined baking sheet to cool completely. Okay, now on to the French vanilla candy glaze, which just totally puts these over the top. So we're just gonna pour some pink candy melt into a microwave safe bowl. Then just pour in some cream, and we're gonna pop this in the microwave until it's nice and melty, and just stir it all together until it's nice and smooth. Then we're gonna dip each of our donuts right into the glaze so it covers the top. And just place that right back on your baking sheet and top it off with some rainbow sprinkles. And you can do this with any color you want. I did pink because obviously it's my thing, but I've also done this with dark chocolate chips. You can do any color you want and totally customize these. And if the glaze starts to thicken, you can always microwave it for a few seconds to thin it out again, or you can use a little spatula to help smooth out the tops. The best part is you can totally customize these. If you want to make a classic donut, you can use regular Rice Krispie Treats. You can even do like Fruity Pebbles to make a fruity version, or shape the donuts into different donut shapes. It's just really fun to get creative with these. You can create different colors and leave out a bunch of different toppings and let everybody decorate their own custom donut creation. You guys, how stinking cute did these turn out? They seriously look like a real donut. I'm like beyond obsessed with how these turned out. All right, the best part, let's dig in. And if you guys give these a try, be sure to tag me in a picture on social media at Lindsay Ann Bakes, or share this video with somebody who you know would totally love these Rice Krispie Treats donuts. All right. Oh my God. Yes. The soft marshmallowy Rice Krispie Treat donut with that like sweet candy glaze on top is pretty much the best combination I've ever had. I would choose these over a regular deep fried donut any day. Like, no joke, these are so good, you guys. And you can really make these any size you want. I like a 3-inch classic donut, but you can make little mini ones too for a really cute alternative. And if you love this recipe, you're also gonna love my mini Cheerio donuts or my no-bake granola bars. So be sure to check those videos out too. Now, these are best enjoyed the day they're made, so they stay nice and soft and marshmallowy, but you can definitely store them in an airtight container at room temperature for about 1 to 2 days. So there you have my Rice Krispies Treats donuts. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for tons more videos that I know you're gonna love, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye guys. You guys, you're officially going to be mind blown with this week's YouTube video. It is so much fun. Okay, so these look like regular donuts, but you're gonna have to check out this week's YouTube video to check out what they're actually made of. Okay, just kidding, I'll tell you right now. If you're ready for this, get ready, because it looks like a regular glaze. It's actually a candy coating, and the donut part is made out of cocoa Rice Krispie Treats. So marshmallowy Rice Krispie Treats covered in candy. It's pretty much better than any real donut I've ever had.